Hello friends, we are going to take the information of flower. So here, we already know the angiospermic plant is characterized by the presence of flower. Angiospermic plant is also called as a flowering plants because they produce the flower. So what is flower? First of all, we take the definition of flower. So flower is highly modified, contains reproductive shoot with limited growth, specially designed for sexual reproduction for producing fruits and seeds. So first word, flower is modified and condense. So what is the meaning of modified, condense, reproductive shoot with limited growth? So modified, we already know the characteristics of the shoot. We already know on a shoot or on a stem there is a presence of nodes and internodes. So here the thick portion on the stem is called as a node. So there is a presence of nodes and internodes. So this one is another node. The thick portion on the stem is called as a node from where the leaves is developed, and distance between the two successive nodes is called as an internode. So this is the shoot. On that, nodes and internodes are present. So first one is a modified, condense, reproductive. So here, modified, the flower is developed from the 4 nodes and 3 internodes in condensed form. So see here, this one is the first node, this one is the second node, this one is the third, and this one is the fourth node. Now, means here internodes are condensed or compressed. For what? It is a reproductive shoots, means that helpful for the process of reproduction. So here reproduction is taking place by the method of sexual reproduction. And for what? Producing the fruits and seeds. Okay, so definition of the flower is modified, condensed, reproductive shoot with limited growth for sexual reproduction for producing the fruits and the seed. Then we turn towards the parts of typical flowers. So typical flower consists of 3 parts. First one is the pedicel, second one is the thalamus, and third one is the floral buds. So first one is pedicel. So stalk of the flower, ना फूल की दांडी, उसे क्या कहना है? Pedicel. So here the pedicel is short or elongated. Okay. Then when the pedicel is present in a flower, then the flower is called as a pedicellate flower. See here, the stalk is present, that's why the flower is described as pedicellate flower. And when the stalk is absent, the flower is directly attached to the stem like this, that is called as a sessile flower. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? Sessile flower. And when the pedicel is short. And on that, the flower is developed like this. Pedicel is short, means the length of the pedicel is not long, it is short. Then is called as a subsessile flower. So here, when the pedicel is present, then the flower is called as a pedicellate flower. When pedicel is absent, its flower is directly attached to the stem, then it is called as a sessile flower. And when the pedicel is short, then the flower is called as a subsessile flower. Okay, what is the functions of pedicel? So here, first function is it raises the flower at desired level for the process of pollination. Another function is conduction of water and food from stem to the developing flower. So this is the function of the pedicel. Okay. Then the next part is called as a thalamus. Next part is called as a thalamus. So on the upper surface of pedicel, there is a flattened or condensed portion is present, is called as a thalamus. This thalamus is also called as a torus or receptacle. It is also called as a torus or receptacles. So the shape of the thalamus is conical or elongated or cup shape or dish shape. For example, dish shape, the sunflower; cup shape, the rose; elongated, the China rose, etc. Means the shape of the thalamus is variable. Okay. Then in the thalamus, there is a presence of condensed form of 3 internodes and 4 nodes. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes and the 3 internodes. The internodes are compressed and these nodes are like to each other, condense. And from these nodes, the different floral leaves are developed. Means what is the functions of flower? What is the function of thalamus? To produce the different floral whorls. So here calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So this is the functions of the thalamus. The third part of the flower is the floral whorls. So here, from each node, the colorful leaves is developed in a cyclic manner. That's why these are called as a floral whorls. The floral whorls are of 4 types in typical flower. First one is the calyx, second one is the corolla, then androecium and then gynoecium. So details of the floral whorls we take in next lecture. Thank you.